from Farm to Table Kids and Cameron from Costa Maine behind the camera. Today we're answering the top 10 questions the farm kids ask me in the garden. So Cameron, what's the next question from the kids?
How far apart should you plant?
Yes, that is such a good question. That is so important. That's the number one thing you could probably do in organic management is give your plants the proper room to grow without crowding them so they have airflow and sunlight. So what I like to do, and this is when I'm planting with kids or when I'm planting by myself, I get a long strip of wood, and this is for dahlias. So when I'm planting dahlia tubers, I give myself a note that they're to be planted 12 to 18 inches apart. So then you could see here, I like to do mine 14. So I lay it down in the soil, and then it marks exactly where each tuber should be planted. So whether I'm planting by myself or with kids, we just go right down the line and plant 5 at a time. Now, some seeds aren't very specific about how close they need to be planted. Seeds like peas and radish will do just fine if your farm kids go through and pile those seeds in. Will the radish grow a little bit bigger if you thin it out? Probably, but they're still gonna grow just fine. So happy growing, and get your kids dirty in the soil with you. Happy growing.